Say what?
Cá Heo, what are you doing with my hair?
Now Cá Heo, what are you doing with my hair?
I'm plucking your gray hair.
Oh. What are you having in your hand to pluck my gray hair?
I'm having a tweezer. Here you go.
One silver strand.
It's white. In Vietnamese, we call it tóc bạc.
Yes.
The roots.
Ooh.
Mommy, I think you are freezing.
Yeah, I gotta sit still so sister can pluck the hair. Cá Heo, should I dye my hair?
Of course no, of course no, of course no.
No? How about a root touch-up?
Of course no, of course no, of course no.
No? Still no?
Mommy,
Yeah?
let nature take its course.
Let nature take its course.
That means just let me age naturally?
No, don't move. You grow very old now. You are old.
You don't need to repeat!